Welcome back, guys, to the channel. After a kind of long-winded, frustrating admin scan loads of documents, we can't open the documents, we're still working in Crayola. These are the recipients, not us, by the way. We decided to come out for a bit of a walk, have we not, Subu? Yeah, so first question, just stop there, just stop for 2 seconds. So I'm going to focus on your trainers. Quick question, how many times have they been in the washer?
Probably more times than they've been on my feet. They're just forever in the washer.
Yeah, one thing you need to learn about Cyprus is dusty. Dustier than dust. And it's a bane of mine. Patio windows, fly screens, constantly, and it's a losing battle. But anyway, so we're going for a walk. So this venue is about an hour away if we can find it, towards Limassol. So we'll catch you when we hopefully get there. So we just happened to come across this. So improvement works at the scrubbed out Turkish Cypriot cemetery. So obviously feeling still run quite deep, so we'll just have a quick look. So this is as was again. Yeah, this will have probably been abandoned when the mid-70s issues kicked off, and there's a plan by the looks of it to bring it back up to some respectable standard. So a good hour later, through the wilds and the fields, we've got a protective ridge over this, I reckon. So here we are at the old, ancient, described as Greek olive factory. So there you go, you've got your, quite interesting really, by the looks of it already. I guess this is where they did all the work and they drained all the juices off. What do we think, Sue? Different, isn't it?
I'd like to know how it works.
Did it all run into there and then the
I'm thinking
olive oil somehow?
you've got to get the olives in. Did they have some kind of big grinding or press or
Not a
something
bit, not a
like
bit.
that? Or
Yeah.
we'll have to find out.
How they did it?
Yeah.
How they pressed them? So there we are, guys. Bit of a trek. I mean, 28 degrees I think it is today, but if you're into your antiquities and Greek history, this ain't a bad place. So I guess this is where all the olive oil was pressed back in the day. Access point there. This one's for our neighbour Linda. It's a typical blokes, what we do. We climb down into stupid things. And the sensible people, i.e. you ladies, do that and stay up there. Now then, about that leg up, please.
Bye.
So we've just finished the visit at the ancient olive factory, which is in Kuklia.
Near Kuklia.
Near Kuklia, down a little side road off the main Paphos to Limassol motorway. Worth a visit, and something you need after you've had a day like we did yesterday with the admin and all the rest of that. So thank you for watching. If you want to subscribe, it's free, please do so. If you want to comment, that's absolutely fine. If you want to get in touch with us, there's an email address, I know some people have, but for now we'll just leave you with this stress busting view on a Saturday afternoon. What's not to like? Thanks for watching.